What's up, y'all? It's Landon Grubbs with yet another video with Laced Up LLC. Today we got a pair of Comme des Garçons or CDG Converses. Client brought him in, said that he wanted the midsoles claim because obviously those midsoles are not the easiest to claim. So I'm just gonna try to get those marks and stains out with a stiff bristle brush, wire brush, and cotton balls and acetone. So right now we're using a stiff bristle brush. You can already see some of that water is just turning blackish brown. Just gathered up dirt, gathered up scuffs, or just obviously coming off. Now here we're just using a wire brush, the same principle as the stiff bristle brush, but it gets a little bit deeper because obviously the wires are tougher. where we start using acetone and cotton balls. It's just 100% acetone nail polish remover. This will get whatever else wasn't able to get obviously cleaned with these stiff bristle and wire brushes. So we're wrapping this restoration up. A very simple restoration, just stiff bristle brush, wire brush, and cotton balls and acetone. Getting up whatever stains were obviously stuck deep inside that midsole material. But if you have any questions, comment them down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. I have all my socials and my emails in the description, link below. So, with no further ado, peace.